So what happened there is the adhesive that I used on here was actually not this one. It's a different one that I had that I really don't like. But it's got very sticky edges to it. And I should have put some baby powder on that to make sure that it didn't move on me. And I didn't. All right, so before taking my adhesive off, I just want to tape that in place. Take the backing off of your adhesive here. So having that adhesive or that leaf on the front taped in place, that means it's not going to shift. That means this isn't going to move and accidentally get stuck on my adhesive while I am gluing it down. All right. A little bit harder centering something when you have foam adhesive on it, but there we go. Test it once again, and it's moving nice and freely there. The very last step is I want to frame it just a tiny little bit more and give it a tiny little bit of extra shimmer. So I'm just taking a gold gel pen and putting a line down there now. There we go. I think I need to replace my gold gel pen because it's not making a continuous line here. Isn't that just the way it is? It works perfect for the sample, and then you go do the demo. There we go. I will see if I can find another one and add more to it. So there we go, our finished swinging leaf card. And just remember, this mechanism can work for anything that you want to swing, or if you lower it, you can have something rocking or something above it going like that. So have fun with the mechanism to it. Once you figure out how to do the mechanism, you can just have so much fun with it. And I love that there's just an element on the front of the card that moves, and you see a tiny little bit of the shimmer from the spray on the leaf that just catches the light as well as the line around it. So I managed to find a new gold gel pen, and I redid that line there. And the other thing that I did just to, you know, highlight the outside of the leaf is just, I added a little bit of gold there as well. Just another thing for you to catch the light in, and it just highlights that as well.